everybody! Today we're going to make an origami frog. While we're making it, we're going to learn some interesting facts about frogs we can find in the Pittsburgh parks.
For this craft, you'll need origami paper or a square piece of paper, 2 beads, and glue. First, we're going to take our origami paper and place the colored side down. The colored side will ultimately become the frog's skin. Then we're going to fold the paper in half. Now we're going to take the open side and fold it inward. Line it up and smooth out. Then repeat with moving the smooth edge to the outside, creating a little valley. There are many types of frogs living in Pittsburgh, but they all live in or near water, unlike toads that are more landbound. Frogs have smooth, moist skin, while toads have dry, bumpy skin. Do you think this has anything to do with the need for a water source? Frogs can absorb water through their skin to rehydrate themselves and absorb oxygen. They can also use the same process, only in reverse, to rid themselves of CO2. We humans also breathe by taking in oxygen and releasing CO2. Frogs can also breathe through their mouths, but when in the water, they only use their skin to breathe. Why do you think this is? Could it have anything to do with survival? Now we're going to pinch 2 sides of the valleys we just created and then push the top down to create a triangle. The inside of this triangle is almost like a mouth. Frogs' mouths do contain a long tongue. Usually a frog's tongue is about 1/3 its body length. And just like in popular media, they can quickly extend their tongue, but they often miss their prey. How do they compensate for this accuracy loss? By leaping, of course. Toads, on the other hand, are less mobile and have shorter tongues, but this means they are a lot more accurate. Frogs' mouths don't only contain tongues, they also contain much more. We just completed a fold. Let's take a peek at what a frog's mouth looks like. Look, teeth! They use their tongues to get their food, so why might they need teeth? Ponder that as we take the right side tip and fold it in line with the preceding fold crease. Figure it out? Neither frogs or toads chew their food, so what are they for? To prevent their prey from escaping. Toads lack this advantage. They don't have teeth at all. Meanwhile, frogs have 2 types of teeth: maxillary teeth that control prey, and vomerine teeth, which are for grip. Moving on to the back of the frog. Take the tip between the 2 legs and fold it back up as far as you can. Then crease. You reveal your frog's long legs. Next, we are going inward to meet at the middle, creating 2 dorsolateral folds. Many, not all, frogs have these ridges that run down their sides. Pittsburgh is home to the pickerel frog, northern green frog, northern leopard frog, wood frog, and southern leopard frog, all of whom have this dorsolateral ridge, while the invasive North American bullfrog does not. One way to easily tell that it's a frog instead of a toad is its legs. Let's give ours his legs. Frogs have longer legs than toads in general. That's because frogs use leaping to get around, while toads prefer to hop, or maybe even just walk. Now we're going to add on a really important part of frogs' defense system: their eyes. We take our glue and 2 beads to give them their eyes. Frogs have bigger eyes than toads because they don't have poison sacs. Frogs' eyes make up for this lack of defense by being really big and seeing almost 360 degrees. Why do you think they need to see that much? Next time you're at Shenley Park, take a peek in the reflection pond. You might just see the frogs jumping away.